And today, I've shown my dogs before on my videos. Bye-bye. I've shown my dog on my videos before, but I've never really shown you details about them. So let me just grab them real quick, and I'll show you their names. And then I'm doing a 2016 puppy haul. Okay, so here's my little boy Carl. On his collar he has his tags, and I'm not really gonna show you his tags because it has a phone number on it and all that stuff, and you guys don't need to know that. And then he has a little spiky collar. I wanted that for him, and I found it at Petco. So if you're wondering, we got everything basically at Petco. Layla, and then my dog Layla, who's deciding to hide. Layla! Got her. Okay, so this is my dog Layla, and her collar is pink. It's and it has a little heart right there. And I'm just gonna let them down because they're rare. Because they're rare. Okay, so now let's get to the puppy haul. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing I'm gonna show you the stuff that they don't need that's not important. Okay, go away. Okay, so first thing is this little bow tie for Carl. They're scared of it. This little bow tie for Carl to wear around his neck, and I thought that was so. Let's put it on him. He's scared to death. He's very camera shy today, guys. So sorry about that. Carl, stop. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's take it off him because I don't think he likes it. And the next is a little necklace for Layla, and I'm positive that she. Okay, Layla, come here. Layla, come here, baby. Let's just put them straight on Carl. No, this is very pretty. There we go. Come here, Layla. Yeah. Okay, my mom has her, so I'm gonna put it on her now. So, it's this beautiful, let me sit down. It's this beautiful necklace with a little bow. And let's just put it on her. It looks beautiful, my baby girl. It's so cute. Okay, so let's take that off, and you can go. Okay, so next let's get on to the outfits, which is they're so cute. Okay, the first outfit is Carl's outfit, and it's a little sweater. And I gotta get them different outfits for the summertime because it is so hot outside. And I got this in winter. It's a little sweater for him, and he looks so cute in it. Carl! Okay, let me go put it on him. So no. Okay, this is what it looks like on him. Carl. Oh. That's what it looks like on him. He's so cute in it. He's very camera shy, so I can do whatever. So, just being prepared. Now that that's done, let's move on to Layla's. This is her beautiful dress. I'm gonna have fun trying to put this on as kangaroo. Stop it. She's a kangaroo. guys. I'm serious. Ah! Ah! Okay, I'm not gonna get it on there. But let's move on to her toys. This is a bag of bones. This is a bag of bones that we got from, is this sneeze on me? From Petco. Go away. And then we got this bone from Petco, and it's chicken flavored. And then this we got at Dollar Tree. It's a little newspaper, and what they do is they bite on the newspaper, and then you pull it. But my puppy, Carl, is the one who does it, but he fails because he's still a young one. But it's so cute. We also got him a fire hydrant one, but they tore it apart. Oh, look. He just went to get it. We got a fire hydrant one that was just like it, but they tore it apart. Like it's a rope, and then the fire hydrant is not a part of the rope anymore. Okay. So now let's get on to the grooming. So for the grooming, I have this little hairbrush for them, and that works handy dandy. Hair in it. Why is it red hair? Oh, that's pink hair. Layla's a superstar. Anyway, it's purple and has metallic-y cheetah on it, and I've been using this. I got it at Walmart, and it's a brush for like a human being, actually, but it works really good on my dogs. So, yeah. If you're wondering, they're miniature pugs. Okay, so, other than that, we've got this shampoo, and I love this because it's honey and coconut scented, but that didn't make sense to me because it smells like strawberry yogurt. Like, I love smelling it. It smells like strawberry yogurt. I want to eat it. Oh my gosh, it smells like yogurt. It smells like yogurt. Oh, he's drinking his water. Okay, he's all done. This is cologne. It actually smells like human cologne, so it makes him smell good. Yeah, it smells like Daddy's cologne. It smells really good. And then this is one of my favorite things ever. I actually like the smell of this that they don't. It's bitter apple. And what you do is, if you don't like your dog chewing on something else, they're like chewing on something, but you want them to stop, but they won't, you spray this on it, and apparently they do not like the smell or taste of it. It's really bad, so they don't touch it. Let's try it on something. Let's use this. Make sure it's on this. See? See, he's totally afraid of it. Look, this is his bone. He's totally afraid of it. So, that works amazing. I'm gonna just wipe that off in a little bit because that's his bone. Anyway, so let's get on. This is their towel that, like, they love. So, after they take a bath and everything, like, they're very tiny and they don't have a lot of fur, so they get very cold. They get cold easily, so we have to make sure that we dry them perfect. This is wool with paw prints on it. We also got this at Petco. The only things we didn't get at Petco was, I think, the dog food, the puppy pads, and a few of the toys and the necklace and the bow tie. That's it. And so, yeah, that's cute. Now let's get on to their treat jar. Layla just stopped what she's doing. This is their treat jar, and it has all their treats, so I'm gonna explain to you what these are. On the bottom, Mommy, zoom in, zoom in. You can pinch it, zoom in. Like, they're people crackers. They're people crackers, and you know how people have, what is he doing? People have animal crackers. Well, animal have people crackers, and we have two kinds, bacon flavored and chicken flavored. They're just different colors. The bacon color is the red kind, and then the chicken flavored are just the yellow kind. And then I'm gonna give them a treat in a minute. This is what they look like. This is the bacon, this is the chicken, and yes, you can have it. There you go. So that's what they're doing. So, now let's get on to their next treat. Is one of their favorite treats. No, one of their favorite treats. I have a whole layer over there on the cheapo. But this is what it is. It says sheep. The brand is sheep, and then it says variety small dog biscuits, and then when they eat it, it cleans teeth and fresh breath. So I actually tried a people cracker, and I don't recommend eating them because it's very bland. So, don't eat dog stuff. This is my favorite thing, the stick. You're probably like, Bridget, why are you showing us a stick? Like, that doesn't even matter. But it actually does matter. This is how I get them to stop. Layla is literally afraid of it. Look, film Layla. They hate the stick. Like, if they're fighting and I point it to them, they'll run away. Look. She hates it. Like, Carl just squints his eyes when I hit him with it. Look, he doesn't like it. He's like, What's that? Okay, let's get on to the things they really need. Puppy pads. Puppy pads, because my puppies are not, like, they don't like to go outside and pee outside for some reason. Like, we're gonna take them on a walk in a little bit, but they do not pee outside. Like, I haven't seen them pee outside, like, forever. These are puppy pads, and basically what they are, you just lay them down. Yeah, you just lay them down on the floor, and they go to the bathroom on it, and then you just clean it up and throw them away. That's my duty. I'm a genius at that. Okay, so let's get on to our last two. Our last two things, which are dog bowls and dog food. So the dog food we have for them is the brand name. Let's see it. The brand's name is Pidgey. Pedigree, and it's for small dogs like them. Aww, small dogs like them. And their food bowl and water bowl. They share a food bowl and water bowl because it's too expensive to buy two. So, I thought this would just be best. This is their food bowl, pink one. And there's still water in the water bowl, so I'm going to be careful of it. This is their water bowl. Oh my gosh. They're cute. Okay, so that was it. So let's take a last bye-bye at the dogs. Got you, baby boy. So this is the last look at Carl. I love you.